nag-help, dili makakaon. Kinsa ang wala nag-help? Si Ram! Si Ram, dili magkakaon. Hi guys, good morning. Oops. Today is May 30. Yeah, May 30. Gabi last night, luoy kayo kay nag-ulan ug kusog, tapos kusog kayo ang hangin. So ang among mga plants na ara uy, kaya sila nangatumba. Oh. So, ako ano lang siyang gibutangan na ng mga sticks. Uy, jud kaayo, nangahapla siya. Nara, oh. May ang talong. Ako ang siyang gitukuran. Ang kanipod, akong kamatis diri. Tagas na siya. Unang nangahapla gyud siya. Yan, kini ang okra. Diri sad. Akong gitarong ganina diri. Mani ang plants nga nasa iyaha. Luoy kaayo gyud ay. Wala ko nakuha na og video kay nagdali-dali og pangita og stick nga pangtusok. Wala na ko nakuha og video kay haluoy gyud ko sa ilaha. So kani pag mataas pa ni pwede na ni itali yata diri sa ukuan. So nara na siya. Naka-stick na siya tanan. Hi guys, good afternoon. 4:35 in the afternoon. Oopsie. So we just woke up from our nap and we will make pizza for our snacks. So this is our pizza crust.
Oh, pizza!
Yeah, you're going to help make pizza?
Yeah. Yes?
Okay. O, kanang chicken na, yeah. So this is chicken hot dog, chicken ham. So the cheese, yeah, but we have another cheese pa. Yeah, the parmesan. Ako ato, gamay na lang ha. We don't have more cheese. But how can we do this one? Cheddar. Let's help make this together. Yung bigger. Small chili of veteran.
Something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple thousands, go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple thousands, go on pizza. They just don't belong.
Right there. Ibalik na niya sa freezer. Okay, throw this away. siya. Ato ang baking pan.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I sensed something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong.
So we will put cheese.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I sensed something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple.
So we have 8 round small pizzas. Ang wala nag-help, dili makakaon. Kinsa ang wala nag-help? Si Ram! Si Ram, dili makakaon. Tara na ya, dadaan na ya. Please open.
Open lang.
Please open, Raj. Okay. Atong i-check. Okay na siguro na, guys.
Hindi kami mix na.
Get your cell phone. So guys, after sa snacks, check na to atong plants kay nag-ulan na sa ganina, oh. Wet grounds are wet. Healthy ang atong talong. Standing tall na ang atong mga kamatis. O ang atong mga peppers. Say hi, guys.
Hi. I'm Sian.
Let me see. Kagwapo, eh. That's my pamangkin. So, okay ra, atong plants. Uy, how about this one? Bakit para siyang na... Ano na to siya gamay? Okay, action siya gigda. There. Oopsie. Ay, kani, wala din ako siya nabutang tukod. So, mauna na siya, guys. Kato lang, guys. I will end the vlog.
Watch.
This watch.
Bye,
Please
guys.
like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye to my channel. Bye, guys.